Hello, this is Philip and welcome to my channel for this new episode of Robospital. In the last episode we played with a list, and when I finished the mission with a list I have a conversation with Eliza, and now Eliza is we are going to do a new practice round, I guess, for the next robots, and this practice round is about 4. I already used it yet. 4 is used when you have a code to want to repeat. Okay. I used loop 4 in my last episode. Okay, so I thought we have already seen the loop 4, but I don't remember. So okay, play that. Okay, so for each element of this list we print the element. Okay. And we can start with this new machine here, book titles. Okay, so let's go, book titles. Review all books in the Mechana library. The list of books titles put in as a single string, as always. So book equals inputs. With titles separated by comma. Print all book titles, one per line. Example this. Okay. Okay. Book titles equals book.split with a comma. It's been a week since I played the game. I don't remember the split here list. Where are lists? Okay. Lists, please. List is here. Yes. Okay, it is that. Okay, and then I want, say, this is a list of the books, and I want to print a new line for each title. So I want to do for, I don't know, for example, B for books in book titles. Don't forget the colon character here, and I want to print B, I guess. Submit that. I don't know why the game tests all these things here. It takes too long to test everything. So mission 2. Okay, separate the science book in the Mechana. So as always, book equals inputs. Book titles equals book dot split. They are separated by a comma, and determine the number of books with science in title. Oh, okay. And refers to sequence operators. Okay, I think I have to start with 4 for B in book titles, and I should look if B contains the word science. Okay, and then I can, for example, I can say, okay, count equals 0, and I can use this. Let me copy that. So sequence operators. Sequence operations involve operation using two sequence type data. So for example, x, y, print x plus y, okay, print x multiplied by 3, okay. Okay. All right, print a in x. Okay, so a is in x. Okay, so I can just look at this. I can say, okay, if what's the word was science, I think, but I have to write this correctly. If science in B, then counts equals count plus 1. And then I just want to print count. This should work. Okay. Good. All right. So I could try to write here a title with science with a little s here with a lowercase. Okay, mission number 3, which book has the longest title? Okay, so this could be easy. I just have to test the length of each title. Print the title of the book with the longest length. With the lower index, that means if two books have the same title length, I have to print the first one. So here, so let's say that length, max length equals 0 for B in book titles if B length is greater than max length. Then I want to, okay, to say result, let's say that. Equals empty string, and if B length is greater than max length, then result equals B. And then I just want to print the results, I guess. Okay, I thought a string had the attribute length, but obviously not. So you have to do, how can I say, no, it's not length, sorry. It's len, I think, yeah, len. Okay, len b. Better like this, I think. Ah. Oh, I'm an idiot. No, you can stop, okay? Stop this. Yeah, of course, I have to say, okay, and I have to change the max length equals length B. Okay. Okay. This should be better. Okay. Okay, this is all good. What's the most popular book? Okay, so find the most popular book in the Machina library based on the highest number of checkouts. The list of book titles is input as a single string on the first line. The list of checkouts for each book is input as the single string for the second line. Okay, so I have here checkouts input. Checkout list equals check dot splits. Okay. Print the title of the book with the highest number. Okay, so I have to look at the max checkout. Okay, for now it's 0, and I look at the checkout in checklist. And if C, I suppose, I have to change checklist should be a list of numbers. How do I do that? With the cast hint, I suppose. Let's try this. Check numbers is an empty list, and for C in checklist, I want to change each check number. I want to add, I don't know if that is the syntax, but I want to add int C. Okay, and list. How can I add something in a list? Okay, well, yes. See, I have to write int. Is not add, is append. Okay. And now I want to. Okay, so the better is to do that. Int C. So I don't need that. I don't need that. Okay. So if int C is greater than max check, so the new max check is max check is this number, int C. Okay, and I want to say, okay, the result is I want the index of so let's say that max result equals this, and I want the index of the number C. No, remove pop, count, sort, reverse. So I can't. This method remove the. No, I want something that tells me that okay, the index is that. List count, list sort, list reverse. Okay. Okay, let's do this for I in a range 0, and I want the checklists. I want the length of that checklist. So I is the index, okay, and I just have to check if. So I look at checklists in the index I look at the I change that string into an integer, okay, and I check if that integer is greater than max check. If it is, the new value of max check is this, and the result is a book titles at the index I, because the book list and the checkouts are sorted in the with the same index. That means that the first title here, the first checkout is for the first title, the second checkout is for the second title, etc. This could work. I don't. Maybe it's not the best script or the fastest script, but it could work. I think it's okay. This is why this is not maybe not a great script, because when you have a list of a lot of books, it takes a lot of time. But it doesn't matter. This script works. And the last one, how many is? So, how many lowercase is are in the titles of books in the Mechanical library? Okay. So, yeah. So, book equals inputs. Then I want a book titles equals a book dot split with the comma character. Okay, and the first line print the list of and the second line print the number of lowercase in books titles. All right. Okay. So. Okay, I want e-list and this is empty. So for B in book titles, I want to count the number of so count equal 0, and I think I can write if E in B. If E in B, then I can say, okay, count, no. I want to count the number of E in the book B. So I have to, I can do this with another book 4, and I look at each letter of book titles. Is it a good way to do that? So strings, string. Split, join, replace. Okay, and in a list, insert, count, bound, count. Maybe this can work. If no, just count equals. So I have to say, okay, that. No. It was B counts E. And okay. And I want to add this count. Let's say e-lists dot append count. Then I want to print the e-list, and I want to do the sum of this. So I can just write sum equals sum plus count. I can do that. And print sum, and here the sum equals 0. Maybe I can't. Yeah, okay, Sam is already a keyword, so I can't use it. I suppose it's a keyword because it was in color. See that? Okay, let's see if it works. Yes. Okay, I kind of like that game. It's very fun to learn Python. It's very. I don't care about the story, but it's great. I think it's a great game to learn how to code in Python. I know a little of Python, so some of these I know some of these things, but it's great. I like the game. Okay. Okay, the first floor is cleaned up. That means that we'll stop this episode for now, for today, and in the next episode we can climb to the 5th floor. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.